What up, YouTube? What an exciting day. What I've got is the new GoPro Hero 9 Black and the Hero 9 Black Media Mod. What I'm going to do today is get these unboxed and mounted to my helmet here. It's all dirty. And hooked up to the, I have a Rode Lavalier GO microphone. I'm going to get it hooked up and see what it all looks like. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get this GoPro out of the packaging. This is how it came directly out of the shipping box from UPS. I don't need that. Pull the little strip. Get this thing out of there. Nothing else in there, don't need that. Get this unzipped. Now, I know there's a million unboxings on YouTube, so I'll not get too crazy with it. I bought the package deal thing. Mounts right there. Thumb screws, 2 of them. Curved mount. Huh, 2 different kinds of mounts there. Don't need those. Put those over there for now. At the handle. Whatever. What is this? Clippy mount. Don't need that. 2 extra batteries. Get them out of the plastic. Try not to go into too many of the crazy differences. Like I said, there's a million different unboxing videos on YouTube. I don't know if you're interested in those kind of things. You've probably seen them all already. There we go, camera. USB cable. Cardboard divider dealio. Don't need that. 32 gig SD card. Whatever, paperwork, don't need that. This thing's pretty neat. I like that. Put that up there. Let's get this plastic off of this thing. Don't need that. Oh, look at that. It's definitely bigger, a little heavier. More plastic. More plastic. Alright. I'm going to assume it's just like the Hero 8 as far as batteries and SD cards and things go. Yeah, it looks like it. Get my SD card over here. I use a pretty nice Lexar 1800X SD card. Get that installed in there. Click that in. Let's see how much charge is in one of these batteries. Turn it on. Maybe. There it goes. GoPro. English. Legal stuff. GPS on. and it wants to connect to the app right now. I'll do that later. So now let's get to unboxing this media mod. Plastic. I'll cut the tape on the bottom here. Don't need that. Paperwork. It's a very similar box to the Media Mod that the Hero 8 Media Mod came in. Mounts. Oh, excuse me. All right. Nothing in there, don't need that. God, look at that big old windscreen. That's pretty neat. How does that work? I'm going to guess it just clicks on there like, yep. Huh. Alright, well that's cool. I don't need that though. So let's get the camera mounted in this thing. Looks like it's almost identical to the way the Hero 8 Media Mod works. Pull the battery door off. Slide it in there. That front screen working. Yeah, very much. It says connecting your camera to the GoPro app lets you easily transfer, edit, share your skip setup. We'll do that later. Anyway, yeah, camera date and stuff. We'll do that in a little bit. What is all this? Oh, they got covers for the ports now. The Hero 8 Media Mod didn't have that. Looks like HDMI, UHB, or USB-C, and the mic port are there. Oh, that's cool. I like that they put covers on them. The Hero 8 Media Mod doesn't have that, as you can see. Okay, now on to getting this thing mounted on the helmet. I'm a dirt bike guy, so that's what I use my GoPros for mostly. Might as well do a quick size comparison with the media mods on the two cameras. And they're pretty obviously bigger. Looks like my dog is over there chewing up one of the boxes I just threw over my shoulder. Yeah, alright. On to helmet mounting. Fold the things out. Grab one of these new screws. Make sure I got this in the frame. Now this is a Pro Shot chin mount on a Liat helmet. I'll get my hole lined up. Not too much different than the mounting the Hero 8 Black with the Media Mod. Yeah, very much similar. And then, look, I don't even have to change any of the setup on my helmet. Just undo this cover, plug in the microphone. It looks like it's good to go. Not too shabby. Huh. Well then, no surprises there. Looks like everything's going to work just the way it did before with the Hero 8. Anyways, that's it for this video. I wanted to keep it as short and sweet as possible, and not waste all this time with a bunch of stuff that you've already seen. So stay tuned for more dirt bike related riding videos. Brap. Take it easy, YouTube.